The purpose of this video is to show our students and staff how our students that sit at the green triangle table will be safely entering and exiting the cafeteria. To begin, they'll be sanitizing their hands at the sanitizer location located at the entrance of our commons. Once their hands are sanitized, they will continue down the hallway of our music hallway, where they will safely remove their masks and place them in their brown paper bags following our mask removal procedures. They will place their brown paper bags on the floor in the hallway of the music hallway along the wall. Once students have their masks removed and placed safely on the floor of the hallway, they are going to continue around the corner where they will be entering at the middle entrance of the cafeteria. Once they enter, they're able to go directly to their seat if they're eating cold lunch. If they are someone who is eating hot lunch, they will proceed to the cafeteria line where they will follow the social distancing dots and the directions of our cafeteria staff. They will collect their lunch here, and then they will wrap around the heart table and walk up the center of the cafeteria, where they will make their way to the triangle tables and have a seat. At the end of lunch, they will watch for guidance from our cafeteria staff to see that it is red cup. They will throw away their garbage, and then they will safely exit the cafeteria out the back entrance here. Once they exit, they will need to sanitize their hands, and they will walk towards their location of the mask hallway or music hallway where their masks are located. They will carefully take their masks out of their bags with their clean hands, following our mask procedures. After they have their masks and their belongings, they will then continue to the commons area where they will then be picked up by their classroom teachers. I hope that this video was helpful in understanding how we will be entering and exiting the cafeteria. Thank you for watching.